Each year, the FDA receives several 100,000 medical device reports of suspected device-associated deaths, serious injuries, and malfunctions. At Getz Healthcare, we provide quality technical services and biomedical engineering across Asia-Pacific. Our highly qualified mobile and on-site engineers have many years of technical experience in the healthcare industry to prevent machine downtime. They provide quality services such as equipment installation, testing and commissioning, warranty servicing, preventive maintenance, and ad hoc equipment repairs to meet the needs of all our customers. Our technical team work in strict accordance with relevant local and international standards, while also going through intensive training from the original equipment manufacturers, government agencies, plus internal training programs, both face-to-face and online. Getz Healthcare have been ISO certified since 2017. We are committed to deliver high-quality technical services, ensuring that medical equipment is ready to use at all times so organizations can operate consistently and efficiently, enabling healthcare professionals to prioritize patient care so patients can be assured of receiving quality healthcare service. We are Getz Healthcare, bringing meaningful healthcare solutions to the people of Asia Pacific.